Hello, what's up, guys? I'm Hossein, and I'm happy to be here. Today, I will learn you a perfect strategy and profitable strategy in 5 minutes scalping, and it's good for any markets, forex, stocks, crypto, and all financial markets. Let's go to the chart. Time frame set to 5 minutes and go to indicators, type sell slash buy and find sell slash buy rates lump sum. Add to the chart, and here is this histogram, and go to indicators again and type SSL, find SSL hybrid Michael, add to chart and go to setting and uncheck all items, spec bar color, just bar color checked, and all items uncheck. Okay, and okay, and go to indicators again and type Ichi, find Ichimoku cloud, add to chart and go to Ichimoku setting and uncheck all items, just check baseline. I increase thickness. Okay, before I start, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell and like the video. Thank you for your support. Okay, how it works. See, first we see this histogram at the bottom of chart, and when we see the first uh, histogram color change, okay, here is the first green histogram. Okay, we should go to the chart and see the candle. The candle must be green or blue. Okay, here is the candle is blue. Okay, and the close of the candle should be above the baseline, Ichimoku baseline. Here is the first position. We open the line position, stop loss here below the baseline, and here risk reward ratio set to 1.5 at least. Okay, and here the first candle is touched, and we should wait for the other candle. For example, here is the first red candle, red histogram. The candle is red, and the close of the candle is below the baseline. We should open short position here, stop loss here, risk to reward ratio 1.5 at least. Okay, here the profit is taken, and here we see the first green histogram and the candle is blue, but the close of the candle is below the baseline, so we should wait here. This is close below, and here the close is above the baseline, and here is green and this is blue. Open line position here, stop loss below the baseline, risk reward ratio set 1.5 here. And for short position, here is the short position, and you should backtest the currencies, and sometimes the candle is far off the baseline. For example, as far so far. For example, here, the candle, the first candle, first histogram, sorry, the first histogram is green. The candle is blue and the close of the candle is above the baseline. But here is a gap, is far, so far, the close and baseline. It's risky, so it's better than you don't open position here. Okay, and for short, for short, for example, here is the candle, but here is so far off baseline. We shouldn't open short position here. Thank you for your watching. Thank you for your subscribing and liking the video. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.